Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chemical rocket engines. So, let's get started. Chemical rocket engines are the backbone of space travel. They're responsible for propelling spacecraft into orbit and beyond. These engines use a chemical reaction to generate thrust, which is a force that pushes the rocket forward. The most common type of chemical rocket engine is the bipropellant engine, which uses a combination of liquid propellants. Bipropellant engines are the workhorses of the space industry. They're versatile, reliable, and can be used in a wide range of applications. These engines use a mixture of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, which are stored in separate tanks. The fuel and oxidizer are pumped into the combustion chamber where they're ignited, creating a high-energy reaction that generates thrust. Another type of chemical rocket engine is the monopropellant engine, which uses a single liquid propellant. These engines are typically used in smaller rockets, such as those used in model rocketry. The fuel is stored in a single tank and is pumped into the combustion chamber where it's ignited. Solid propellant engines are another type of chemical rocket engine. These engines use a solid propellant that's stored in a single tank. When the engine is ignited, the propellant burns, creating a high-energy reaction that generates thrust. Solid propellant engines are typically used in smaller rockets, such as those used in model rocketry. Hybrid propellant engines are a combination of solid and liquid propellants. The fuel is stored in a solid propellant tank, while the oxidizer is stored in a separate tank. When the engine is ignited, the fuel is pumped into the combustion chamber where it's ignited, creating a high-energy reaction that generates thrust. Now, let's talk about the key components of chemical rocket engines. The combustion chamber is where the chemical reaction takes place, creating thrust. The nozzle is responsible for directing that thrust in the desired direction. The fuel and oxidizer tanks store the propellants, and the engine control system manages the ignition and operation of the engine. Chemical rocket engines have a wide range of applications. They're used in launch vehicles, spacecraft, and even in some military applications. They're essential for space exploration and have enabled humans to venture beyond our planet. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this introduction to chemical rocket engines informative and interesting. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.